Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I've got another awesome Greatest Paper Airplanes lesson for you. Earlier I showed you how to get in for the first time and how to navigate and learn a lot about airplanes. Now we're starting to make paper airplanes, so if you missed the earlier lessons, I will put a link to them so that you can go back and check them out. If you're coming here from before, make sure you've got your settings set to 175, 200, 150 so that this is large enough to read. And then remember, when you click start, you'll see the emulator kick in and it'll load the little Windows 3.1, which is actually from long before most of you probably were born. And then you can double click to launch Greatest Airplanes. Remember, when you're in here, you always lose your cursor for the outside of your browser and you have to press escape to get back. You may notice that I have no sounds. That is because I muted the tab. And then right now we are starting to work with the planes. When you click the planes tab, you'll have 5 different kinds of planes to pick from. The earlier one I taught you was the hammerhead under darts. Let's go to gliders today, and I am going to show you the Gull. I like the Seagull because it is a easy one and it's a quick fold, and there are lots of variations on how to fly it. That's what I love most, is we start to learn about how the wings, the surface area, and the angles really affect our flights. Building it is the same as before. You simply click the little arrows, watch through, read the steps as you go, and make your awesome plane, and then use the rules in my classroom to go fly it. Once again, I'll show you the continuous buttons so that you can watch the whole thing go through at once. When it is all the way through, you can stop it with the stop button. Use advanced, go back to the very beginning, shut off both, and then actually go through the normal steps so you build your plane perfectly. But having that view of what it's going to look like when you're finished is sometimes very beneficial. Don't forget, when you're finished building this one, make sure you learn from what you built, and make sure you also go back to the hangar and check out all the other possibilities. There is a whole nother tab called More, where there are 5 more different kinds of planes to pick from. There are many easy ones, lots of moderate ones, and then a few you need to be afraid of called the difficult ones. As you get better, you may be able to make difficult planes. I have not had a whole lot of success. I have not invested a ton of effort yet. The power of yet. The more you work, the better you're going to get. Friends, if you had fun with this video, please hit a like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you found a better easy plane we should be checking out, give me that information and I'll maybe do a video about it as well and give you a shout out for sharing it. Friends, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.